who pays for the hotel of the QC inspectors, and what if the inspection has to be done on a Sunday? How do you guys handle that in terms of the fees?
Yeah, as far as hotels and travel, it really depends. It's really a case by case type of basis. So generally, hotels and travels would be included in the mandate rate. However, if it's more extreme travel, then it might not be included. On Sundays, which is not usually a working day in China, then there would be a double charge. But Saturday is generally considered a normal working day.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening, have a wonderful day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.